Hi, good morning. Welcome to Spring 2021 Advanced PLC Programming. And you may have gotten an email from me a few weeks ago with a different welcome video message. And I guess what's going on is things are changing at a very fast pace these days. So I think I have probably 3 or 4 or maybe more welcome videos, and each one is a little bit different. So anyway, this is today's welcome video, and so today is January 14th, so the Thursday before the start of the semester. And I just want to go over a few of the tools that we're going to be using this semester. Last semester, everyone had to download all of the software on their own personal computers. And there's some definite benefits to that, but downloading the Rockwell software is it's a big job. It takes, on typical computers, it takes like 4, 5, 6 hours to download everything and extract everything. And then we had lots of problems, and fixing people's computer problems is real difficult because we don't have IT support for your own computers. And so it was just really tough way to do it. Now this semester we're doing things a little bit different. We've got a brand new system set up. I've tested it and it's working, but maybe there's going to be some bugs. So let's look at a couple of tools that are going to be real important. First one is Canvas. So if you go to Canvas, and this should be accessible to you already, here's all the information, and you'll notice that I put a lot of video links in Canvas. And this first one, here's another welcome to B58. So that's a few weeks out of date. Okay, so Canvas is real important. The next tool we're going to use a lot, and I'll go to this Unit 1. Now here in Unit 1, you'll see I've got a section on Factory.io software and on Rockwell software. Now the Rockwell software, you're not going to have to worry about downloading it, so for now you can ignore this section. Factory.io, this is a very cool software. It's a PLC simulation software. And it's not real big, so you can download it, install it on your own computer, and use this share code to get it running. So that's a good idea, to get that downloaded and installed on your computer, and you can do that right now. The other thing we're using, well, let me switch to this tool. Here's YouTube. So I use YouTube a lot. And all the videos that I record, I upload them to YouTube because it's a really reliable system. And I'm sure you've heard all the YouTube influencers, they're always saying make sure you like and subscribe. And it's actually kind of true that it is good for you to subscribe. And here's why. As you can see right now, I've got 118 subscribers on this channel. So YouTube promotes different videos differently. If you have like 1 million subscribers, then you show up in searches very easily. If you have very few subscribers, then it's very difficult to find your videos. And that's kind of important, because if you do a search for YouTube videos on PLC programming, there's either not much out there, or they're not very well done, or it's people trying to make money on them. So I don't try to make any money on my videos. I put them free for anyone to look at. So 2 reasons to subscribe. One is it helps to build this channel so that we get more support from Factory.io, for example. Second reason is I put a lot of these short videos onto YouTube, and it lets you know that I've put another one there. So anyway, click on that. I don't care if you click on like or not, it doesn't really make any difference, but it is good for you to subscribe to the channel. Okay, the new exciting stuff we've got is we've got this Amazon Web Stream, App Stream they call it. AWS, Amazon Web Services. And I'm just going to log in here. And first thing it says is it sent a push to my phone. So I need to take my phone and let's see, where is it? So I get a thing on my phone and I have to click approve on it, and that'll log me in. You have to set up two-factor authentication on your student account so that you can get into this. Okay, then it comes up with BC Industrial Automation. So open that. And that opens up all the software that we need to use. So here I've got Factory.io, that's the same one you can download. And then these ones, well, not Firefox, but FactoryTalk, RS Linx, Studio 5000, and Studio 5000 Emulate. Those are all the Rockwell software. And those guys take, like I said, several hours to download on your own computer. So we're not going to do that this year. Once you open this, and let me open the first one. I'll open Factory.io. And this is going to, I don't know why, but the very first program you open, it takes, I guess, about 2 minutes to get it open. So I'm going to sit here and drink my coffee for a couple minutes, and then I'll pause the video and I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. So it took a couple minutes for Factory.io to open, and everything else works kind of at normal speed after the first program opens. And let's see, I don't want to get into the software too much. We're going to do that next week. So I'll show you how to, you have to activate the license before you can use this guy. And like I said, we'll be getting into all that next week. We're going to use this AWS throughout the semester, but we're also going to have Factory.io on your own computer, and we're going to, well, you're going to be able to do it in either online or on your own computer, so you kind of have two options. And that's also kind of a backup if this AWS is giving us any heartache during the first few weeks. Okay, so those are the tools we're going to use, and look forward to meeting you next week. Meanwhile, have a good weekend. Thanks.